upside coming in for these companies?
Yes, absolutely. So Tech Mahindra, we are seeing a traction after some time. We can see IT space has been on the downtrend, but Tech Mahindra is trying to buck the trend and showing up a retracement on the upside. So we can expect it to move towards the level of 1070, which is happened to be 20 days average. And on the downside, I think 960 is an important support. So as long as 960 is intact, Tech Mahindra can test it to 20 days average at 1070 level. Absolutely. See, Angel One has a very important support at around 1060 level. There has been multiple bounce backs we have seen over the past few months. And again, it bounced back sharply from there. A very good bullish candle forming today. Good momentum, good volume picking up. So I think the stocks can be headed towards the level of 1340 on the upside, as long as the gap area, which is the support at 1170, is intact. So 1170 can be the stop loss, and we can expect it to move higher towards 1340, possibly higher.
All right, so that's the take coming in on Angel One. Moving on, let's talk about...
See, JSW still is off the day's high, but it is lying nearly at around 577 levels, which is 578, which is a very important support zone. So I think if it manages to cross back above that 580 mark, we can head towards the level of 610, 620 on the upside. So very important zone where it is trading right now. On the downside, important support at 560. So as long as 560 is intact, we expect it to go towards that 620 level. Absolutely. The reason being the volumes are not drying out. Even with it touching the 52-week high, the stock is managing to go up with a huge volume. Even today, it's up by nearly 5.7%. And I think it should head towards that 3,000 mark levels if one can hold on and use any dips as a buying opportunity, as long as 2,600, which is near the day's low, is intact. So use 2,600 as a stop, and we can expect it to cross that 3,000 levels as well. Adani Green made a very important bottom around the level of 1650, from where it bounced back. It has managed to move about that 20 days average. We can clearly see that there is a strong volume picking up. So along with that, we can expect it to go towards the level of 2100 on the upside. And on the downside, the support comes to around 1800. So as long as 1800 is intact, Adani Green looks like a buy, and we should be moving towards 2100 levels.
All right.
Yes, absolutely. See, if you have holdings on Infosys already, you can definitely look forward for averaging it out here. We have seen decent enough correction from 1900 levels to the 1400, and it's not very often that you get a large cap stock like Infosys correcting that much. So it can be a good enter. There was a gap down which got filled now, and we are expecting it to, the stock can move towards the level of 1550 over short term. And eventually, from a medium term perspective, I'm extremely optimistic for it to go towards even 1800 levels. So for short term, we can expect a 1550 as the target. And on the downside, 1430 remains a short term support.
Okay, that is Ashish.